In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Shopify store speed quickly and easily. Start by opening your web browser and visiting GTmetrix. This free website performance tool helps analyze your store's loading speed and overall performance. Once you're on the home page, copy your Shopify store URL and paste it into the website URL field. After entering your store address, click the Test Your Site button and wait for the analysis to complete. GTmetrix will generate a detailed report showing important metrics such as page load time, performance score, page size, and the number of requests. You'll also receive recommendations on how to improve your store's speed, such as optimizing images, reducing unused code, and improving caching. If you want to check your speed directly inside Shopify, log into your admin dashboard and go to Online Store followed by Themes. Depending on your Shopify plan and theme, you may see a store speed score that provides additional performance insights. Regularly monitoring your store speed can help improve customer experience, boost conversions, and support better search engine rankings. That's it. You've successfully checked your Shopify store speed. Thanks for watching.